At the conclusion of the treatment, a hospital-approved hazardous waste container is utilized for disposal of the tubing and fluid. Unclamp the line to the waste bag and clamp the red inflow lines to the patient. This will direct all flow to the waste bag. In an open coliseum technique, suction or vacuum can be applied to the disposable system to speed up outflow to the fluid reservoir from the patient cavity. When the fluid flow from the patient is complete, the roller pump is turned off. The heat exchanger and water bath are also turned off. Before disposal of the patient fluid system, close any clamp that may allow for fluids to leak or spray during removal. The inflow and outflow tubing from the patient is removed and handed off the sterile field for disposal. The blue patient temperature probe extensions are detached and are kept for future use. The IV bags and the fill tube lines can be disposed with the TSP system. The fluid reservoir and the heat exchanger and associated tubing are all disposed of according to hospital procedure. The tubing is carefully removed from the roller pump. The water lines and heat exchanger temperature probe are disconnected from the disposable heat exchanger and are kept for future use. Disconnect the pressure sensor from the device and dispose with the procedure kit. If case data retrieval is desired, insert a USB storage device into the USB port on the connector panel. Touch the off icon on the home screen to initiate the data retrieval. On the next screen, press Export Patient Log and wait for the data to upload to the USB storage device. When the upload is complete, power down safely by touching Shutdown on the screen. Wait for the permission message before switching off the device on the back of the unit. Seeing the "It is okay to power down the system" message on the screen is necessary before powering down on the back of the device. After properly powering down, unplug the device from the wall electrical outlet. Before storing, secure the power cord to the device. Drain the water bath and fold the monitor down. It is very important to drain the device. Do not let water remain in the device beyond the case. Troubleshooting guidance can be found in the operation manual for the Thermochem unit. Please contact Thermal Solutions for support, device information, or additional troubleshooting.